Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Sendal Muran, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about nested loop concept in C programming. Nested loop means a loop within the another loop. That is called nested loop. In this video lecture, how nested loops we can use in C language, what are the nested loops are there, what is the use of the nested loops that we will see in this video lecture. So dear students, in this video lecture, this is a week 5, lecture 3, classroom discussion topic 15. In this classroom discussion topic, we are going to discuss about nested loop concept in C programming. So lecture outcome. After completion of this lecture, student will be able to write a C program to using nested loop concept. Okay. So nesting of for loop, how it is working. One for statement within another for statement is allowed in C language. For example, two loops can be nested as follows. Okay. So here one for loop is there. This for loop, it is using the variable I, initialization, condition, increment or decrement operator. As per syntax, there is the for loop. Inside the for loop, one more for loop is there. In this for loop, use the another variable j equal to 1 as the initial value and j not equal to 5. Till this condition fails, it will execute. This is nested for loop. A loop within another loop is nested for loop. Okay. So how it will work? Which is inside the loop, that is inner loop, which is outside the loop is considered the outer loop. Okay. First, it will start from the outer loop, but complete inner loop will be over. Then outer loop will take the charge. Okay. So I equal to 1, I less than 10, entered into the loop. So I value is 1. Okay. But j value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to this point, it will work. J not equal to 5. So this j value will be getting 5, it will be executed. Then only it will come out. I value will be incremented. Okay. Clear. So see this structure. First, how it will be insertion expression. Then outer for loop test condition it will check. If condition is true, then inner for loop will start. The inner for loop test condition will check. If it is true, block of statement will be executed. Update the expression, the inner loop, entire inner loop will be executed up to the condition true. So when the condition false, then this for loop will be stopped. Then update the expression of outer for loop. Then it will be executed. Again, it is condition true means come inside. It will check with this inner loop. Then it will be repeatedly will do. So see this example. Here while loop, they are used I less than or equal to 5. I equal to 1, we are defined. I less than or equal to 5 means 1 less than or equal to 5. condition true. Then come here, j equal to 1, initialize the value of j, then it will get 1 less than or equal to I value. What is the I value? 1. So condition true. True means it will print the j value. What is the j value? J value is 1. It will print. J value will be incremented. What is the j value? 1 is there. Then will be incremented 2. So this while loop will be completely over. Then only it will come out the I value. Okay. So j value will be 2. 2 less than or equal to 1. Condition fail. Then it will come out. Print up n value. What is the n value? Sorry, slash n. It will come out the cursor. I value will be incremented. Now I value is 2. 2 less than or equal to 1. Again j value initialized with 1. Okay. This condition fails. So the inner loop will be executed completely. Then outer loop increment operator will be work. Okay. This is concept of inner loop or nested loop. The nesting may continue up to any desired level. You can give n number of nesting you can do. 4 for loops, 5 for loops also you can take. There is no limit. But you should be properly intended of each and every loop. Then only you know without confusion you are able to write it. If you are given in the same line, it is not correct. How you can give after for loop? So this is the for loop statement, yes. So this is inner for loop. So this entire for loop will give one space. Like that, you have to write the C program. Okay. First row value, first value it will take. Then it will take the column value, row and column. Row 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, it will print. So example, how we can write the nested loop, for loop. Example, I want to print matrix. How I can write? Example, I want to print this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is I want to print. How I can write it? How I can write it? So, two for loop I am using. One is for row, another one is for column. Okay. So, for loop for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 2, because 3 row, I plus plus. Okay. So, now for loop j equal to 1, j also less than or equal to 2, j plus plus. So, what it will do? First condition, j 1 value. It will print here, printf percentage d, comma, some value. It maybe you can give any value. A of I, comma, j. These things we will discuss in the array concept, but you just remember it, how we are using it. Okay. So in inner loop will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Sorry, 0, 0, because this array value, 1, it will start. Okay. So 1 and 2. Here 3 we can change for this matrix. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So I value is same for the first loop, but j value will be incremented. After that, if the loop is over, then I value is incremented 2. Then j value will start from again 1, 2, 3. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Okay. So like this, the nested loop will be used for using matrix and multiplication tables and all. Many applications are there. While you are writing the C program, you can easily understand and you can use this nesting concept in writing the C program. Okay. So loop means a set of operation performs repeatedly until the control variable fails to satisfy the test condition. Number of times loop is repeated, we know that, okay, till the test condition getting failure. We can skip some of the part using go to statement or break statement. In loop, you can use break statement or continue statement. Break means it will stop the iteration and it will go for next iteration. Continue means it will continue the next statements. So now we are in end of this video lecture. Having completed the discussion on for loop, nesting loop, the student will be able to write C program using for loop with nested loop. Okay. So for loop and nested loop. So same program you can use nesting conditions. For example, nested for loop you can use to print multiplication table. Like 1 into 5, 5, 2 into 5, 10. Like that you can print the value using the nested loop conditions. I hope you are enjoyed this video. Again, if you have doubt, you please refer the textbook. Even if you have doubt, refer the tutorial sheets. So if you have further doubts, we will discuss in the classroom discussion topic. Thanks very much for listening this video.